He had already multiple CBD gummies.
Rokas, what the fuck?
It's a quick beer
You
break.
said you were going to the toilet.
I was.
Come over here, you motherfucker! You can't live here.
It hurt my feelings. What is the beer? They give me hopes, everything. And now, what's left for me?
You have to build the walls.
I'm helping you right now. No tools for woodworking. Use your head. 2 millimeters higher. What? And you asked why it's taking so long. He took my tool and I'm getting too drunk to work. I was drilling, brewing, working, and now I'm drinking. This one is better because this is a bigger titty in my perspective. Coffee is not that strong much, so I'm just thinking. What's going on? Come on, guys! What's going on?
Get inside. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We have to do something with him. Mother of God! Hello. Today we continue to work on Porsche. No, I'm just kidding. We are going to work on our E90 body kit. Toad was already waiting to start. He's just waiting for me to finish talking. Hello. And we have that item over there. He's our talisman, so we are not able to get him out of the workshop. He's like sleeping over here, living, you know, a living creature. We are still looking for that shaman, yeah, Toad?
Yeah.
We found few numbers. Maybe we will solve that addiction problem with him. But before that, we are going to build something new over here for him, so we can keep him closed in that spot. Mister? Yeah? No. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. We need separate space. Rokas.
Yep. What?
Would you mind to stop interrupting us?
No problem.
Go get inside into the E90, please. Check the wiring inside, but you have to close the doors from inside. Now we can continue. Thank you. He had already multiple CBD gummies today, so you can see what's happening. But talking about this space, this separated space, we have some material over here. Toad going to use that. Toad is like multi-tool.
Yeah. Carpenter's life.
So he's gonna use his experience on the body kit, also building his own space. He's gonna live here, I don't know.
No, it's rock space.
It's rock space, yeah. So yeah, we're gonna have this enclosure in order for us to work with all the parts, with this 3D printed parts. You can see we have some updates. We already printed the first version of the body kit and we don't like it. We hate it, to be honest. So those we're gonna explain what we don't like about this part and what we want to change.
We printed the first one and to check how the surface is going. And we decided that this place is too flush and we want to make more exposed, because in this place we want to create a shadow which will make more character to the fender. So we printed this one. Like you can see, it is more bumpy. So we now cut this piece out and just put in place the new one. And if it fits, we will continue all the fender.
Yeah, we can start to work. Yeah, Rokas. Okay, let's go. Let's start to work. We have to cut this piece, and after that we're going to continue, and you are going to build something.
Yeah, if Rokas helps.
You're going to help us to build your spot?
My spot?
Yeah, your spot.
My spot.
Okay, enough of this funny part. Go to work.
Everybody go to work. Tell me if you need some help.
A little bit boring.
I'm very sleepy after one beer, you know?
Maybe you should have another one.
Maybe.
Maybe you can see the difference in these two pieces.
My angle way bigger, less. Fuck it, no. This one is better because this is a bigger titty than this titty. You know, better is bigger, smaller is for, you know, pussies, in my perspective.
So now we can try to put it. We don't try to make it perfect now. We just want to see how it looks, because some angles now not aligned. But for now, like I said, it will be okay. Rokas, can you put a screw?
I will try.
A little bit too many tension, too much.
Okay, sir. Calm down.
Yes.
Good?
All right. A lot of cheese.
Do you want some of my pizza?
No.
Keep it for
Thank you. So, Rokas, I think it's good enough at this stage.
At this stage, we can see what is going on and how different it is.
Touching hands again?
Yeah, we like it.
We are good together, in both ways.
I think just in one way.
I don't know about you.
Later we can use a little bit of hot glue, I think. Now it will be okay. I like more this part than the old one because it extrudes a little bit more. So maybe when we'll be in color, in that place we will have a little bit shadow. So shadow brings this part more extruded in visual. And after that, I think we will make the front part, so you can see how it bends down to the bumper. And in this side, like you can see, we put some tape. So it's just a hint, but you will see in next episodes what we will have here. And our colleague Matas will continue with projecting all the second parts. I just put them on the car.
Very good. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like.
But now we'll have to go build some storage for you.
Yeah, let's go to build something.
Where to begin, Rokas? From which part?
We have a plan?
Some drawings.
Hey, let's go for a cigarette and we will think something.
All right.
Piece of shit. Come on. Kick his ass.
Rokas,
Yeah.
what the fuck?
It's a quick beer
You
break.
said you were going to the toilet.
I was, and
Look!
What look? Look, I'm beating your ass.
Come over here, you motherfucker!
And just me finish my beer.
So we are building that separate space from the older workshop, because in this place we are going to make some fiberglass and carbon parts.
Fiberglass?
Yes.
You said it was for me.
It was a joke, Rokas.
Really?
You can't live
You
here.
hurt my feelings. Where is the beer? They give me hopes, everything. And now, what's left for me? I'm gonna destroy
Don't bother.
this.
Now we made the whole construction and going to make some rockets,
I'm angry now.
some walls. These walls will be from plywood and the upper side will be from polycarbonate. And now I'm going to make space for the door, all construction.
And you want my help now, yeah?
Yes, you have to build the walls.
I'm helping you right now.
Thank you very much for all your work today.
Keep working, I will be there. No tools for woodworking. Use your head.
One for you. One for you.
Thank you.
I won't look.
Look. And one for you.
Come on, don't mess around. 2 millimeters higher. Is it okay?
Nice tools.
Buy new tools, then we're gonna work. Now, don't talk with me. Very good.
Rokas, look at this perfection. Can I check yours?
Look at this perfection.
Okay, okay. Okay, don't expect that.
Not that stupid. My eyes like levels, you know, everything by the millimeters. If you need to build something, call. I can build from houses, terraces for a very cheap price. Couple of beers, just pay me like that. Give me some food and I'm all yours. I finished all the wall and you're just drilling all the same holes?
Because
Come
I need
on.
to measure.
Measure. I needed to measure too. Very bad worker.
Rokas.
What?
There is T25.
Somewhere in the box or in my pocket. And you asked why it's taking so long. That's why. You've talked with us. He took my tool and I'm getting too drunk to work. I don't know if he finished this. He didn't ask. He took my tool. I was drilling, screwing, working, and now I'm drinking.
This is the last episode. When you see him like this, tomorrow we are going to rehab.
Today after we work.
Okay, today.
Hello. Welcome. What are you looking?
One moment. Let's continue.
Now I can address the issues. Not strong enough. This not strong enough. I don't know if I'm gonna sign this.
Where is Rokas? I need a smoke. Working alone again. I don't know where Rokas is. He's disappearing a lot.
So that I have more orders for you to build stuff. You could build me a table or something.
Ask Rokas to build something. Like you see, he's working now.
Said that he has to go to the petrol station or something like that.
Yeah, we'll come back after 2 hours, like always.
Our part finished printing. Told us was fast and furious. He ran to a 3D printer whilst Wise was having a vaping break. Tell them what you did.
I glued together 3 parts because we printed 1, 2, and 3. Because our printer is not high enough, so we are making from smaller parts.
So this is why you was not able to see what he's doing with glue.
But we are using 2 components, glue and activator. So it glues together very fast in seconds. Now we are trying to put a new printed part in the front and see how our bubble going down. And if it's okay, we will continue to the other side.
Guys, also comment what do you think, what opinion you have about our body kit, how that looks, and what would you change and what would you do differently. Here you go, mister. Like a glove.
Not really, but good enough.
Yeah, also we still have some problems with our 3D printer. We are trying to understand why sometimes layer shift happens during the printing. Parts are not perfect, but the end result, when thought we're gonna sand everything and make fiberglass parts, everything gonna be differently. And yeah, you will see whole process, how we are making the molds and everything else. Yeah, we used some bolts and we made the holes small enough, so these bolts just holding everything by bolting them into the plastic, and that's it. You can see that the top line is not correct, but we don't care about it yet. We just wanted to update this piece to add more character to the part, and later we are going to work everything on and clean up and make sure that all lines are aligned. For example, this line gonna be aligned with the fender line. It still requires work, and we are going to do that. Where's Rokas? How long he was away?
About an hour ago he left.
To petrol station to buy something. I'm going to be back soon, like he said. I found few rehabs. We will try to catch him at the end of the day, put him into the trunk, and we will get him there because there is no other way. Yeah. great success.
Yeah.
So I already see that this line is not correct because of his printing, so we need to push it a little bit. Look! Excuse me, mister, you said that you are going to the petrol station for 5 minutes.
It was 5 minutes.
1 hour and 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
I guess you lost somewhere.
I was finding the cheapest petrol.
All around the city, and thought we almost finished building stuff while you was looking for the petrol.
It's the same as I left.
You can see what we have to deal with.
I'm going for a coffee.
You just came back. Just wanted to remind you.
I'm gonna check a polo and drink coffee.
When we will have this part, it holds itself.
Because at this point gonna touch the fender and it's gonna prevent it from going inside. I still would love to change something.
On this.
No, at this part. For me it's a bit too fat, I think, at this point.
We can put paint on it
Yeah.
without preparing, and with paint it will look like real. All the shadows.
Yeah,
bending.
and shiny. Guys, what do you think? Is it too fat or should we leave it this way? I know, I'm not sure right now. Finally, we reached some of the character because before it was really flat and I know it was not that good looking. Let's call it that way. I believe we still need to print the bumper piece in order to see a little bit more. Right now it seems like
We will
just a
see
huge bump.
from where the bump is going,
Yeah.
really. Maybe it's not too big, because now it's just a hole in that.
Yeah, we will see. We need to print more. We need to print more, so we will be able to see everything more connected. And we definitely need to reprint some of the parts so we can get everything aligned. Because right now it's also messed up. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for E90 body kit. Also, we are doing lots of things by printing. So Totwe can show a little bit what he's going to do with 550. Matas already designed and we 3D printed the front cold air intake for 550. So we are happy with the shape. So we're gonna print the final versions in better quality, so you will have work less by preparing it.
And we will try to make it. Then I have my own space where I can make all the stuff.
Yeah, and Rokas can spend his nights. As you can see, we are going to use these hidden filters. The idea is to keep it a little bit away from dirt, maybe not too much cold air, but the maintenance is gonna be easier, so we don't have to pull the filters every 5,000 kilometers and clean them and etc. So
And keep the stock bumper.
it still would be with the stock bumper, it would be inside in the grill, but still dirt and everything would cover the filters, so yeah, we're going that way. So I don't know, that's it for today.
I think.
Remember, we have one mission, to catch someone. You have your bag. That's enough for today, guys, and we are going to do one mission. Got the zip ties? Let's go, we have a mission.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Coffee is not that strong much, so I'm just thinking.
Just
Hey, what's going on?
What's
Get
going on? Come on, guys.
Holding strong?
Yeah.
Let's go.
What's going on?
Get inside, next to the boots. Let's go. We have to do something with him. Mother of God!